Hey everyone, it's Katie. I've been waiting months and months to show this video to the senior class, and I'm so excited that you guys get to see it now. This video means a lot to me, and it started out as just a random idea that I had last year, and it's just really elevated into this huge project that I've poured my heart and soul into. So I really hope you enjoy this video because it's really special to me, and I hope it means something to you too. So, hope you all enjoy.
So sky, if I die, I hope I'm no random.
Hey, you ready? I feel great.
Morning. Welcome to the Pride. Good morning.
You guys are about to realize the truth, and we're gonna come out victorious.
All I gotta say is we got a chance this dude.
Someone out there, they will say, here's mine, here's mine. So sky, if I die,
Oh, we did the game.
random guy. Someone out there,
It's
they will
Furby
say,
Day. Yay.
here's mine, here's mine.
Favorite senior memory, though, would probably be homecoming.
If I die, I hope I'm no random guy. Someone out there, they will say, here's mine, here's mine. So sky, if I die, I hope I'm no random guy. Someone out there, they will say, here's mine, here's mine.
So, homecoming was definitely one of my favorite events of the year. We had parents that were helping, but also there were 80 seniors that were involved with the skit and the dance, making the flow, and all the other stuff that happened in between. It was really great to see all the seniors have fun on that day, really get to experience all of the hard work that paid off. Thank you to the class of 2020. I couldn't have done it without you guys. On to the rest of the video.
Garfield onesie.
Yes, I am.
I get the life is a highway.
Hi vlog, my name is Yoko Leo, and welcome to this week's guys.
I'm gonna be player one, I'm gonna be player one, I'm gonna be player one, I'm gonna be player one.
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I'm giving it eyes.
First day of the second semester.
You ready? Please. Yeah. Valentine's Day.
None of us really got to process that just last Friday was like our last day of being at school.
On the last day of the third quarter, you get sent home.
some California public schools will be closed because of COVID-19.
Governor Gavin Newsom announced today that schools will remain physically closed until the end of the school year.
98.8% of our schools have closed down.
I definitely just miss the physicality of like being in school. It's just really hard to be a teenager, to be a high schooler, and not even be able to go to high school anymore.
All I wanted to do was go back. I took school for granted.
Many events like proms and graduations could be in jeopardy.
Right now, high school and college students are wondering if they'll ever get to experience what's supposed to be one of the most memorable events of their lives.
It's just been missing out on a lot of memories.
This year, I was planning on going to prom for the first time. Me and my friends, we were just like talking about how much fun we were gonna have at senior dinner dance.
It's kind of a bummer, it's just that we're not really gonna be recognized the same way. We're not gonna get to walk on stage and, you know, take pictures and just have that moment that we've all been waiting for since forever. I love the senior class a lot, and I just really hope right now that they are all doing okay.
Hey there, all ASB. Vicky and I are 6 feet apart. We just wanted to say hi, and we miss you guys, and we look forward to you guys coming back soon.
Hi, we hope everyone's having a great week and staying safe.
And here I am. Hello, class. This is my house.
Yeah, hopefully everyone's doing well. I know that we're doing well over here, and I'll post some cooking pictures as well as maybe a few recipes that I've been working on recently. So.
Ever since the COVID-19 global pandemic became a reality, we at Salinas High School have been thinking about you nonstop. Your teachers, counselors, administrators, and all support staff have been working around the clock to figure out how to best support you and your family.
Constantly being led astray. He's thinking of something you don't. Downtown outside, halfway up the street. I used to be free. I used to be 17.
Say hi.
Follow my shadow.
Hi.
Around your corner. I used to be 17.
Hi.
You're just like me.
Hi. I miss you. Okay. Air hug. I miss you. I'll see you at some unknown time.
And the movie's always right. All the people and I hope that they all get their happy end.
I thought it hurt.
Hi guys.
It ain't pretty, it ain't sweet.
The man that likes 19.
I love you, Miss Obama.
What's up, everybody?
Wow, that was so epic, guys. Awesome.
We got C. Rich here.
Let's go, baby.
I'm really glad I got involved in homecoming. That was really cool. Met some really nice people.
We did good. Good job, senior.